Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have domain admin or group policy creator permissions. Without them, you cannot edit domain GPOs. Next, open the Group Policy Management Console, GPMC, on a workstation with RSAT installed. Once GPMC is open, locate the target domain or OU where you will link the wallpaper policy. Make sure to create a new GPO named clearly, for example, Corporate Wallpaper, so you can track changes. This preparation avoids mistakes and speeds the remaining steps. You edit the newly created GPO and navigate to User Configuration, right arrow Policies, right arrow Administrative Templates, right arrow Desktop, right arrow Desktop. Then open the Desktop Wallpaper setting and enter the UNC path to the image. Select the wallpaper style such as Fill or Stretch, and set the policy to Enabled. Make sure the image resides on a stable file share and grant authenticated users read permission so machines can retrieve it. Once done, close the editor and prepare to link and apply the GPO. Link the GPO to the chosen OU or domain and consider enforcing the link if other policies interfere. On a test client, run gpupdate/force and sign out or reboot to apply the wallpaper. Verify the HKCU registry key for desktop wallpaper and that the client can access the UNC path. If the wallpaper does not appear, check share and NTFS permissions, confirm the image format is supported, correct any path typos, and ensure the user and computer are in the GPO's scope of management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.